Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session I am going to tell you about a very interesting information which I explored today while preparing the video sessions for the NIPER. The NIPER has introduced a new course entitled MTech in Medical Devices. Yes, my dear students, it is for all the B.Pharm final year students that NIPER has taken the initiative to introduce a new course known as MTech in Medical Devices. You know that the horizon of pharmacy is increasing, and with increasing awareness, initially the core branches were only for pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, chemistry. But with the time, as new inventions and new proceedings are taken into various emerging areas are coming up, like pharmacovigilance, pharmacoeconomics, pharmacoepidemiology, and many others like industrial pharmacy, pharmaceutical technology. So a new era is being started as the horizon of the pharmacy is being expanding. So this new course, MTech in Medical Devices, is an excellent program which is focused for all the pharmaceutical companies, specifically dedicated in the development of medical devices. The course is, since it is being introduced for the first time, it is coming in 3 NIPERs: NIPER Guwahati, NIPER Hyderabad, and NIPER Sasnagar Mohali, which is the parent NIPER. So this is the information brochure which I have downloaded from their NIPER website. You can also download it from there, and when you will scroll down, you will see a lot of information being persisting there. It is my sincere advice to all the pharmacy students who have not scored good rank and not expecting good rank in the present after giving the NIPER exams. My dear students, you can take as an excellent opportunity of considering this program. This is my sincere advice to all the B.Pharm final year students, that they should take it as an opportunity. Since the course is being introduced for the first time, many students are not aware about the pros and cons of the course. Many students are not aware about the growth of the medical devices in our country. My dear students, medical devices are now very much regulated. Initially, medical devices were not regulated, so the medical devices company need a lot of people from the pharmacy background, those who can help them. So this course, it's a master in technical in medical devices. I am hereby going to highlight few of the important characteristics, features which have been mentioned in the brochure, and I think that will help you out. First, let us try to understand about the course, the eligibility criteria, who can put up the application, how to apply, how the exam will be conducted. So this, you take it this as an opportunity of learning that a new course has been introduced, and you can consider it. My dear students, the date of commencement for online application is 22nd October 2020. So it is very soon, and since the registration, since the course is introduced at NIPER, believe me, they would get plenty number of applications. So if you're lucky enough to get enrolled into the program, you take it as an excellent opportunity to move ahead in your life. Yes, my dear student, the last date is 15 November. Try to enroll yourself. There is no harm in enrolling. At least enroll yourself before 15 November. So after that, you will get the hall ticket will be generated on 27th November. Online examination would be conducted specifically for this course on 4th of December, and declaration of the result is by the 10th of December. You can do the registration for the online counseling. It will start from 14th December. And last date for the online fees submission confirmation, 31st December. So my dear student, those who have still the chance to get into the NIPER and to fulfill their dreams, this is one of the excellent opportunity, not only from the parent institute Sasnagar Mohali, but also at the NIPER Hyderabad. Both of them have the excellent position in among the 7 NIPERs. So let us try to understand what are these are all the same requirements which is like for the MS and the Mass MBA program. Now let us try to understand the scope of MTech in medical devices. So worldwide medical device industry is growing at a very fast rate, for $425.5 billion in 2018. So this is expected to grow at a very high rate. So the medical device industry is knowledge intensive and can provide sustainable development. The growth of the industry can accelerate the higher exports. And so what I feel is that you can consider this course if you don't have any option, like you are not getting good course, or like you are not feeling left out. So like if NIPER is one of the place from where you do whatever course, but you have the excellent opportunity for the placement. And since the course is being introduced for the first time, you will have the batch size is not very large. They are starting with the batch size of the course will be 10 students per year in each offering NIPER. So the interested candidates from the industry, R&D organization, government institutions are eligible to apply. Now, what are the after successful completion of the program? The students have various career options like research and development in healthcare, academic and research organizations, entrepreneurs, venture capital firms, hospitals, diagnostic labs. So the course is having a lot of opportunities. So this will be the course structure. You can go in detail. So you can consider 3 institutions: NIPER Sasnagar, NIPER Hyderabad and NIPER Guwahati in their sequence. This is NIPER Guwahati, NIPER Hyderabad, NIPER Mohali. Now let us try to understand the eligibility criteria, which is very important. So they have opened up the course for BPharm students also. So take it as an opportunity, and you can see the eligibility criteria also includes like MBBS, BBSc, BDS. So like my dear students, you take it as an opportunity. Only lucky 10 will be get enrolled into this program. So again, you have to get your GPAT qualified, which is a mandatory qualification for all the applicants. For the students awaiting their final result, they can apply for the course. Now how you need to apply? You have to register at niperhyderabad.ac.in before 15th November. So registration amount is rupees 3,000 for the general candidates, and SC/ST it is 1,500. These are the test centers: Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Patiala and Bhubaneswar. So the again question paper will consist of 200 objective multiple choice questions, and the level of questions will be of BPharm level. So the admission process is similar to that of the master's program. Now talking about the fee structure, you can see the total fees is around 79,000. Believe me, my dear student, the fees is at par with the master's MPharm program, and they are like fees is sounding to be very genuine to me. So if you really get selected, you can look ahead seeing your bright future here. So again, the same rules are applicable which are applicable for the master. This is the medical certificate. These are the documents you need to submit it while doing the application. This is the sponsorship certificate. All these are the undertakings. And it is a part of their protocol. So my dear students, if you want to take this as an opportunity, I believe it is one of the excellent opportunity you are getting this time. The course is since introduced for the first time, and with a very small batch size: 10 students at Mohali, 10 students at NIPER Hyderabad, 10 students at NIPER Guwahati. So I believe that the course provides the excellent opportunities, and the career prospects are very high. So at least you should enroll yourself. BPharm students, you should enroll yourself and try your luck. Maybe you are getting selected, and take it as an opportunity to study in your dream destination, which is NIPER.